Hi all, welcome back. Today again I bring you a very interesting and tasty recipe, nasi goreng. Nasi goreng literally meaning fried rice in the both Indonesian and Malay language. This rice has gained popularity through Indonesian influence in Sri Lanka. This variously different by its aromatic, earthy and smoky flavor. Owned by the generous amount of caramelized sweet sauce and shrimp paste. The taste is stronger and spicier compared to other Chinese. A very important thing you have to do the first, the chili paste.